Imagine this, 3 seconds to midnight. An ancient radio crackles to life. Not with music, but with your own voice, chillingly clear. Don't open the... Just as confusion grips you, 3 sharp knocks echo through your home. Adrenaline surges, the mysterious voice insists, don't open it. Curiosity battling fear, you stammer, why? Who's out there? Eerily, the reply comes, yourself, but not who you are now. As the door creaks open, there you stand. Except this version of you is smiling What would you do? Write in the comment if you want a part 2.